You ain't ready for this one. I suffered one of the worst sandstorms in the world. It caused me loads of pain. And we're gonna rap about it, so let's go. Sand in my eyes, sand in my ass, sand on my finger, it's starting to blister. It's like a curse, it's really the worst. Somebody, please get me a nurse. Teapot Scott is really hot. Yeah, keep going, that's the spot. Get the fuck out the way. Daddy's got this. Sandstorm. My balls are on fire. Sandstorm. My dick is expired. Sandstorm. And I'm really tired. Sandstorm. My balls were hired. Sandstorm. And now they're retired. Yeah, they are. The best days of their life. And that's how you take care of a sandstorm.